everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you about my project that I built. So basically, the name of my project is Toxic Comment Detector, and here it is the code about it. So for the backend, here is the app.py file and the predict.py file. And for the front end, here is the templates under the index.html file. This is the front end where we used the Tailwind CSS with HTML and little bit of CSS. And for the backend, we basically used Flask. So yeah, and coming on to the here, this is the React app, which I will show you guys. Don't worry. So this is the React app, the code for the React app. Uh-huh. Here it is. And here basically is my model. So this is the project about basically a toxic comment detector AI model, AI ML model, which will detect the toxic and hateful comments on the social media platforms through a Chrome extension. So I'm going to show you how it's going to work. So basically, this is my model, the model.step file. It is basically a BERT model fine-tuned to do the work which I wanted to do it basically. So this is the files, and here is the extension, the code of the extension files. So this is the background, the content, mhm, the manifest.json file. So yeah, basically this is the extension file and this is the front end and back end in my Toxic API folder. So let's implement it and let's show you how it's done. So first of all, I'm going to go to that folder where it is, and then I'm going to activate my virtual environment for this project. Here it is activate, and then now I'm going to run my app.py file. So while running, it will take a few seconds, and here it is. So going to the local host here, this is the front end. This is how it looks basically. So if we try to type a comment, basically any random comment on a YouTube video or on a Instagram post, like this is such a nice video. If I check toxicity, here it is non-toxic with the confidence of 99.94%. Basically, the AI is predicting that this comment is non-toxic with this percentage of confidence. So again, showing you a comment with some toxicity. So we can write this is rubbish content. I hate it. So if I click on check toxicity, here it is, it predicts toxicity with the percentage of 97.56%. So this means basically the remaining 2.444 percentage are for the users who maybe might not find this comment a toxic comment, but for this, for 97.56 percentage as predicted by the AI model, so it is a toxic comment. So this is the front end. So here there are the links which you guys can get. So this is the link to my GitHub repo. So this is the toxic comment detector, my GitHub repo. Here it is the README file. You guys can go through it. So I'm just showing you by scrolling down a bit. This is the React tab. This is the example I'm going to show you just a little bit later. This is the text stack for the every layers, the user guide acknowledgement. So you guys can go through the GitHub repo. And here is the Chrome extension. Unfortunately, I couldn't upload my Chrome extension on Chrome Web Store because it would literally took me thousands of permission to be granted and also a cost of $5. So since I can't afford as of now, so I am going to show you the steps also to how to implement this extension file in your device. So this is the zip file. You guys can download it. And also the main thing here, this is the YouTube video which I made yesterday you guys can go through this video to see how you guys can download the extension file and implement it in your device. So this is the front end, and let me show you the React app as well. So I'm going to go to another terminal. I'm going to go to that folder, Toxic API, cd toxic comment UI, and I'm going to click write npm start. So if I click on it, here this is the React app. So if I show you the the accuracy or the consistency of the ML model. So I'm going to write the same comment which I write on there. So this is a rubbish content. I hate it. So if I click on check toxicity, here is prediction is toxic with the same confidence of percentage 97.56%. So basically this is the React app. So this is all which is run locally on the localhost server with 3000 with port number 3000. So like this can't be actually be checked or used by the users. So for that I have deployed my project on Render. Render is basically a website where we can deploy our personal projects or any project that we know. So this is the logs file and this is the render deployment. So and I'm going to this link. So if you guys go to my GitHub repo, so here you can also find the live demo link here as well, and also live demo and try the web app from here. You can also click on this link and open link in new tab for the better experience. So this is the link. This is what the users you guys will see. This is for everyone to see. This is the link where I deployed my project. So for people who are initially clicking on the link, this might take 2 to 3 minutes for the render to make this link alive to run the Gonicon app content for this to load. So for people who is initially clicking on the link, it might take 2 to 3 minutes for it to be live. So please wait for a few minutes. For me, since I opened this link a few minutes ago, so that's why it didn't took me any time. It opened as soon as I click on the link, but it might take 2 to 3 minutes for you guys initially who is at first clicking on the link to load this link. So if I write the same comment here or if I write something else, this is a very bad content. I don't like this at all. See, guys, I don't know what the ML model will predict. So let's see all of us together. This is the first time I'm writing this content for checking it. So click on check toxicity. Here it is the deal that for the render deployment in the backend, I have connected the backend directly to the model which I uploaded on Hugging Face. So that's why it's taking a little bit of time because it is not run locally. It is run on the online from the Hugging Face. So it is the AI model is now literally downloading the model from Hugging Face and then checking the toxicity. So it predicted non-toxic with this confidence because this is a bad content. I don't like this at all. It is not toxic. It is kind of a constructive criticism for the creator so that the creator can evolve and make a better video. So basically this is like a constructive criticism. So the AI model predicted that this is not toxic. And from this link, you guys can also, here it is the link to the GitHub repo, my GitHub repo, the Chrome extension, and the setup tutorial as well. So now, now I am going to show you how you guys can download the Chrome extension in this video as well, and how you guys can implement. So while click on the extend the drive file, click on download here. So it will download the, yeah, it's downloaded. So I'm going to copy and paste it here on my desktop, and then I'm going to unzip it by double clicking on it. So it is unzipped. So then I'm going to go to my extension manager again, manage extension. Yes, so it is already there, but still I'm going to remove it and do it again. So I'm going to remove it, and here it is. The developer mode is on for me. If the and make sure guys the developer mode is on. If yours is off, you have to on it. So if it is off, you guys can on it, developer mode on, and click here on load unpacked, and then go to the unzipped file where you unzip the file and click on it and then select it. So here it is, the Chrome extension. And in the details, we can also pin our extension to the toolbar. So for a better experience, so I pinned it to the toolbar, and here it is how it looks. Since we haven't gone to any YouTube video, so let's go there and check how it works. I have already copied a YouTube link, a YouTube video link. So I'm gonna just copy paste on it. So this is the video, and you guys can guess how the comments will be. So I'm going to slowly scroll down to the comment section, little by little. And to make sure, guys, the extension is working properly, I'm going to click on it and see here the comments checked is 140. So the extension is actually working properly, but haven't found any toxic comment yet. So it's zero comments blocked, but comments checked is 140. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit more slowly, slowly. And To check you guys it's still working, we're going to click on it. So from 140 here it becomes 410 and toxic comments blocked 4. So it has checked through long way list of the comments in this video and 4 is blocked which we haven't found yet. So we're going to scroll a little bit down yet. So here, see guys, this is the first comment which is blurred, and if I scroll down a little bit, here is another comment blocked, sorry, blurred. There is another comment blurred. So basically, how this is how the extension works. The AI will automatically check the comments and blur the comments if it found it toxic. So we're gonna make sure that our comment is toxic or not. We can also see that comment if we want to see it. So we're gonna click on show. We're gonna copy the comment and we're gonna hide it again. This is just to show you that the this is working or not properly. So we're gonna paste it here. We can also check the toxicity from this part as well, which I have done in the extension folder. So we're gonna click on check toxicity, and here it is detected toxic. That's why it is blurred. So if I'm gonna copy and check for another comment, so I'm gonna click on it, and there it is. Paste it here and check toxicity. So it is non-toxic. Hence, the comment is not blurred. So exactly this is how my project and the toxic comment detector Chrome extension is basically gonna work. So that's it. So actually, this was a feature which I thought of, but couldn't found the way how to implement it in my own way. So that's where I found the idea of making it into a Chrome extension so that any user can use this. Even a non-technical guy can use this feature of mine, the project of mine, easily without any faults. So if this was a feature, this can be easily installed in YouTube or Instagram, but I don't think those big social media platforms will want the engagements in the comment section to run down. So this is for the users who don't want to basically go through any toxic comment in English under any comment section of YouTube or social media, and YouTube or Instagram or any social media platforms. So this is it. That is everything about my project. And please give it a feedback if you liked it or not after using it. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.